here a little. Well, not a little bit. I'm doing good. How are you doing? So tall, your voice got deeper.
It's your favorite person. Somebody to see Lizzie.
Hopefully she's here.
Sorry, we're trying to get a surprise. Because we haven't seen her in a long time.
It's your favorite person. Oh man. So. Oh my god! Oh my god!
How's your kitten? She don't care.
Give me her.
Hello. I need a hug. Here, hold the camera.
Hey, I had to be careful because yesterday when I was like, I totally lied about the weather and stuff.
Now you're videotaping.
Hey, Mama.
Lied about the weather?
Can I go over there and...
No, not right now. We're enjoying the moment.
Alyssa.
Oh, yeah.
Alyssa and
I'm gonna get my...
Brianna.
Yeah. I'm gonna get my...
Oh, enjoying the moment.
Oh my gosh, hugs.
No. And then we just got this guy here.
Just seemed like every other day.